Happy Thursday, everybody. Let's do one of Alina's things. This is what I have left of the third box of Alina's patterns. Once I'm done with her patterns, I'll probably go back through her boxes, maybe taking 2 patterns from a variety of boxes and mixing and matching and trying to do more than one on a page. But right now, I'm going to continue with doing 1 on a page because I'm just learning how to do these drawings, right? So here we go. Zooming in, Yoffa is a single line pattern. Oh, when she does these are interesting to do because she wants you to draw them in a single line. So this one you want to go this way, and then you want to go to this step, which is this way. And then you want to go to this step, which is this way. And then you want to go to this step, which is this way. Now, no, this one is this way. So we go around, and then we go back, and then we go around, and then we come up this other side, and down, and back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to do 6, and you can do it with the roundy petals, with squiggly petals, with pointy petals. You can do a variety of things, but it's a 6. Here's another one, different shape. Here's another one that's a different shape. Lots of different shapes to play with. So let's put that, stand that up here so I can look at it. And it's like 6. So let's just, do I want to do it a little paper? Yeah, let's do a little paper. I haven't done a little paper in a while. Ooh, there's a hot fluorescent orange. Let's do that. Oh, there's 2 pages there. Let's do that. Okay, little pen. Number 4? No, I want number 1. All right, so we want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is not quite right. How am I not right? Oh, this one was supposed to come up and over. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that one looks more like a pumpkin. That one looks more like a flower of some sort. Let's try it with a more of a leafy shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did she do that pointy one? Oh, she went up and over. Okay, let me try that. Something like that. I'm not sure about that one. But you know what? This was kind of fun. Really I like this shape. Let's try that one again. We're going to put these all down into one corner over here. And we're going to have some kind of little leafy shapes. Something like that. I can give it a little color. Maybe a little color with my gel pens. What colors do I want to use? Let's try that kind of pink colors. Try some of these. Something like that. I've gone quiet on you. You guys know what that means. All right, who's been here around forever? You tell the chat. Tell the folks down below in the comment section. What does it mean when I go quiet like that? You guys know. I know you know. I want one more. No, I want one pink. Got a lot of different colors. They all look the same, but they're not the same. Something's not right here. Did I not color the rest of this? Something's not right. I did something wrong. But that's okay. It's just a fun piece of art. It's not rocket science. Ooh, that's a bold red. It's almost a brown. That's got some great color to it. One more red, because I want this one to not be the same color as that. Purple. There's a color that's not the same. Like that. Then we're going to use this. Same green on all the leaves. But I think it needs a little bit of brighter color. This is a bit dull. We'll try a different color. Maybe this limey looking one. Looks more like a turquoise. I don't want a turquoise. Let's try this other green. Let's see what this green does. It's bright. That's more of a highlighter green. It's okay though. Alright, lots of colors. I just used all of those colors. Oh goodness. Making a mess. Somehow I missed my cup. Let's try putting them all in the cup again. There you go. Okay. There, that one is Yoffa, a single line pattern. Let me sign it. Alrighty, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you guys on the next video. And we are going to change into the month of June. It will be summer. Summertime. It says on here that I'm going to still be doing 3 days and then 2 days and then 3 days and then 2 days, but I don't think so. I think I'm far enough ahead that I can go back to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I think that is what I'm going to do. So disregard my thing when I said I was going to do Monday, Thursday, yeah, I'm going to go back to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm good. I am good. I'm caught up enough to go back to my regular scheduled programming. Awesome sauce. Okay. It is now hot. It is now 12:30 in the afternoon. I am ready to go have some lunch and kick my feet up and upload these videos and do some other stuff. I don't know what I'm going to do this afternoon, but excuse me. But I'm not staying out here any longer because it is too hot. All right, you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.